All right, you've seen the usual gadgets, but this list, it's different. These are next-level Amazon finds. Stuff that's smart, problem-solving, and ridiculously cool. From AI-powered vacuums to stress-hacking wearables, these are the gadgets you'll wish you discovered sooner. Let's dive in. Just wait till number 8. 1. Apple HomePod Studio. Tired of flat, lifeless audio? This isn't just a speaker, it's a spatial audio beast. It tunes itself to your room, fills the space with cinematic sound, and syncs effortlessly with Siri. Perfect for Apple users who want smart, plus stunning in one package. 2. Samsung Bespoke Jet Cordless Vacuum. Vacuuming, but make it fashion. This beauty isn't just cordless. It empties itself. It's lightweight, and it actually looks good in your house. If you hate cleaning, this makes it feel like you're barely trying. Whoop Strap 4.0. Fitness watches tell time. Whoop tells the truth. It tracks strain, sleep, and recovery, and literally tells you when to push or rest. There's a reason athletes swear by it. It's coaching disguised as a wristband. 4. NuCalm Stress Relief Wearable. Stress 24/7? This one's wild. NuCalm uses neuroscience tech, not pills, to literally calm your nervous system. Strap it on, zone out, and feel the anxiety melt away in minutes. Total game changer. Outline 5. Govee T6000 Smart Thermostat. Still adjusting the heat manually? This smart thermostat learns your routine, saves on bills, and syncs with Alexa or Google Home. It's like your home finally understands comfort. 6. HyperJuice 100-watt GaN Charger. 2. Laptop, phone, tablet, all charging at once. This GaN charger is tiny but mighty. It fits in your pocket, but powers everything at top speed. Perfect for travelers, students, or work from anywhere types. Seven. Sony LinkBuds S. 220. Hate earbuds that feel like earplugs? LinkBuds S are feather light with open ear design and adaptive noise canceling. You can hear your surroundings or block them out, and they're comfy enough to wear all day. All the links are in the description. Support the channel by checking them out. Your next favorite gadget might be just one click away. Number 8. Molekule Air Pro Purifier. This isn't a filter, it's air therapy. Molekule doesn't just trap pollution, it destroys it with picotech. Viruses, smoke, allergens, gone. Especially clutch if you've got pets or allergies. Quick pause. If you're loving this list so far and discovering gadgets you never knew you needed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're dropping new smart tech finds every week that actually make life better. All right, back to the list. You're gonna love what's next. Withings Body Scan Scale. This thing doesn't just check your weight. It gives you a full body scan, ECG readings, even nerve activity. It's basically a mini health lab you step on every morning. Number 10. Philips Somneo Wake-Up Light. Still waking up to an annoying alarm? This one gently simulates sunrise, adds natural sounds, and even helps you fall asleep. If you want better mornings and nights, this is worth every penny. All the links are in the description. Support the channel by checking them out. Your next favorite gadget might be just one click away. Number 11. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Hot coffee turning cold too fast? Ember fixes that. It keeps your drink at your ideal temperature for hours. No reheating, no guessing. Perfect for desk warriors, busy parents, or anyone who sips slowly and hates cold coffee. 12. Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station. 420. Power outages, camping trips, dead phone in an emergency? This compact beast gives you reliable backup power for nearly everything. With multiple ports and fast charging, it's peace of mind in a box. Theragun PRO Percussion Massager. Sore after workouts or just sitting too long? Theragun PRO digs deep into muscles and tension with pro-grade precision. It's the massage therapist you never have to tip. And trust me, your back will thank you. Quick pause. If you're loving this list so far and discovering gadgets you never knew you needed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're dropping new smart tech finds every week that actually make life better. All right, back to the list. You're gonna love what's next. Muse S Brain Sensing Headband, 5 o'clock. Meditation that gives you feedback in real time. Muse S tracks your brain waves and helps you stay focused or wind down. Whether you're into mindfulness or just need help sleeping, this is pure brain tech. 15. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone, 520. Create cinematic videos from the sky. No film school needed. This drone is compact, easy to fly, and packed with features pros love. Whether it's travel vlogs or real estate footage, your content just leveled up. Number 16. Click and Grow Smart Garden, 9, 540. Grow fresh herbs or veggies, no soil expertise required. Just plug it in, add water, and let it do the rest. Perfect for apartments, busy kitchens, or anyone who wants a tiny farm on their countertop. Number 17. Nanoleaf Line's Smart Light Panels, 6 o'clock. These aren't lights, they're statements. Modular, colorful, voice-activated, and reactive to music. If you want your room to look like the future, or your Twitch stream to pop, this is it. Number 18. Google Nest Doorbell Battery, 620. See who's at your door, anywhere, anytime. With smart alerts, package detection, and night vision, this isn't just a doorbell, it's home security in disguise. And yes, it works, even if you're on vacation. 19. Air Atmos Faceware, 640. Yes, it looks futuristic, and for good reason. This wearable air purifier cleans the air before you breathe it. Perfect for urban travelers, cyclists, or anyone wanting next-level protection without a mask. Number 20. LG StanbyME Portable Touchscreen Display. TV you can move like a piece of furniture. It's wireless, touchscreen, and rolls from room to room with ease. Movie night in bed? Zoom call in the kitchen? This screen follows you effortlessly. You made it to the end. Respect. These gadgets don't just look cool, they solve real problems. If something caught your eye, the links are in the description. Support the channel by checking them out. Tap like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you actually want in your life. More epic Amazon finds coming your way. See you next video.